Hello everyone and welcome back to your favorite ma'am. So in today's class we're taking up maths lessons, and in maths we are going to talk about angles. So in today's video you can expect all about angles. So without much further ado, let's move forward with today's class. So let's start with an angle. What is an angle? An angle is the amount of turn between two lines that meet each other. So let's assume two rays are meeting at a point. This point where the rays meet is called the vertex, and two rays are called the sides or the arms of an angle. And as you can see, an angle is being formed by these two lines. Now let's talk about the sign of an angle. For example, this is a 90-degree angle. Angles are measured in degrees, which is shown by this symbol which resembles a small circle. A complete turn, also known as a full rotation, all the way back to the place it started, is 360 degrees. One half of a turn, which forms a straight line, is 180 degrees. And 1/4 of a turn is 90 degrees. This is also called a right angle, where two rays meet at a 90 degrees. Now there are three other types of angles: acute, obtuse, and reflex. An acute angle lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So it is always less than 90 degree. An obtuse angle is the opposite of an acute angle. It is the angle which lies between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Any angle that has a measure which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. And an angle equal to 360 degree is called a full rotation or full angle. It is formed when one of the arms take a complete rotation to form an angle. Now let's talk about complementary angles. There are two angles that add up to 90 degrees. For example, angle alpha plus angle beta here in this picture will be 90 degree. So both of these are complementary angles. And supplementary angles are those two angles that always add up to a 180 degree angle. For example, angle alpha plus angle beta is 180 degree. So both these angles are supplementary angles. Now let's talk about angles inside a triangle. Now let me give you a fun fact. The sum of the interior angles of any triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So always remember that all the angles inside a triangle will always add up to 180 degrees no matter what the angles are. Also, all the angles around the point where lines intersect will always add up to a 360 degree. Now let's see how we measure angles. Angles are usually measured using protractors. Protractors are just like our ruler scales. Instead of inches and centimeters, it measures in degrees. Now let's try and learn how to measure angles. To measure angles formed by ray A and ray B intersecting at point, we will need a protractor. Now to measure this angle, we need to align the center of the protractor with the vertex of the angle. But remember, the last line of the protractor should always align with one of the rays. After this, we need to keep it steady and look at the number the other ray is pointing at. For example, here the ray A is pointing at 45 degrees between 40 and 50 degrees. So the angle formed by ray A and ray B is 45 degrees, and it is written like this. So angle AOB is 45 degrees. So I hope this helped you understand all about angles today. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. Also, subscribe and share with your friends. Goodbye until next time.